Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Running a Java application packaged as a jar, Java archive, file is a common task for Java developers. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a simple Java application, packaging it into a jar file, and then running it using the Java jar command. ### prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, ensure that you have the JDK installed on your machine. You can check if it's installed and its version with. 2. Text Editor /IDE, you can use any text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, such as Eclipse, intellij IDEA, or NetBeans. ### Step 1, create a simple Java application. Let's create a simple Java application that prints hello, world, to the console. 1. Create a directory for your project, example hello world. 2. Inside this directory, create a file named helloworld.java with the following content. ### Step 2, compile the Java application. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where your helloworld.java file is located, and compile the Java file using the javac command. This command will create a helloworld.class file in the same directory. ### Step 3, create a manifest file. To package your application into a jar file, you need to create a manifest file. Create a new file named manifest.txt with the following content. Make sure that there is a new line at the end of this file. The main class attribute specifies the entry point of your application. ### Step 4, package the application into a jar file. Now, you can create the jar file using the jar command. C. Create a new jar file. F. Specify the name of the jar file. M. Include the manifest file. helloworld.class, the compiled Java class to include in the jar. You should now see a helloworld.jar file in your project directory. ### Step 5, run the jar file. You can run the jar file using the Java jar command. This command should output ### summary. You've successfully created a simple Java application, compiled it, packaged it into a jar file, and run it. Here's a recap of the commands you used. 1. Compile Java code. 2. Create a jar file. 3. Run the jar file. ### Additional notes. You can add more classes to your project and include them in the jar file as needed. Ensure that your class path is set correctly if your application depends on external libraries. For larger projects, consider using build tools like Maven or Gradle to manage dependencies and build processes. This simple tutorial should help you get started with running jar files in Java. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.